In the suspicious Sandeep Salian murder case, who was a businessman from Udupi, Karnataka, the Calangute Police has now arrested the accused Akshata M.K from Bengaluru. According to Calangute Police, 35-year-old Akshata M.K is a married person, but she had traveled in Goa, and there in Goa she met the victim Sandeep in a casino. Later on, they went in the hotel room where after some hours, victim Sandeep was found dead in the suspicious condition. Though the postmortem report has not concluded that how Sandeep Salian was killed or what was the exact cause of death, because the forensic team has reserved the cause of death for the further viscera analysis. Meanwhile, Calangute Police is treating this case as a case of murder because after death of Sandeep Salian, this accused lady Akshata left not only from the hotel but escaped from Goa also. Accused Akshata is most likely to be produced before the Malpe court on Saturday, where Calangute Police will seek her police custody for further investigation in this case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.